Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. As you can see, I'm not in my regular studio today, but I wanted to give you guys a little crypto update as the FTX Sam Bankman-Fried trial is coming up this week. That is right, guys. October is upon us, and if you've been waiting to see what happens with Sam Bankman-Fried in court, given all the scandals and fraud that he's done with FTX here, well, that's coming up, guys. Let's talk a little bit about it in this video. Well, guys, I saw a little article today that I wanted to share with you. Besides the fact that Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX defrauded, it looks like millions of their customers on billions with a B of dollars worth of, regular investors like you and me's assets. This is getting talked about in court right now. And right now, there has been a conversation lately about how FTX is actually going to go about the funds they still have in crypto. Now, if you haven't been aware of this, Mike Novogratz, the CEO of Galaxy Digital, a very, very crypto-savvy firm, if you will, is actually responsible for the sale of the cryptocurrency assets that FTX is still holding to current date. Now, what they've been talking about doing is potentially selling these coins, and they do have an agreement, according to a court, where they can sell X amount of coins over a certain period of time. Now, there is a strong possibility that they could dump a huge amount of these tokens in the next couple weeks or even months ahead. And this gets some people scared about what might come. But the truth is, guys, is that they're probably going to sell these tokens over across the counter, over-the-counter sales, which means essentially instead of buying them off an exchange and actually having these tokens at a ask price and a bid price, they're just going to work and essentially sort an over-the-counter deal with a private entity and just go ahead and decide on an overall price instead of a bunch of buy orders that they're going, sell orders and buy orders that they're going to work on working with to make sure that they have these purchased through like a traditional exchange in an order book. They're just going to say, hey, who wants to buy these coins? What price do you want to pay for them? And bada bing, bada boom, they're going to sell them. Now, what does this mean for you and me as cryptocurrency holders as we're worried about somebody dumping on the market? Well, the truth is, guys, is with over-the-counter sales, this doesn't actually affect the price of the assets. Instead, again, this is just private currencies, a over-the-counter deal with me to you, you to me, private company to private company. This doesn't have to hit order books or anything. So even if they sell off these assets, it doesn't mean that the price is going to go down for Bitcoin or some of these other coins like Solana, Ethereum that they're currently holding. They have a lot of these tokens, guys. But what do you need to be aware of? Well, this came in a new article today. A large amount of Ethereum, millions upon millions of dollars are Ethereum, were actually hacked during the time of the FTX collapse, guys. And when FTX collapsed, these tokens were hacked, and now they're held by an entity that we don't really know. These are hackers, guys. And there is movement in these wallets. And so these tokens, which equates to about $12 million, are going to be dumped and likely over an exchange. These likely will not be an over-the-counter sale. And so you might have $12 million of a combination of Ethereum, Bitcoin, maybe Solana, some other tokens that were hacked from FTX exchange that are going to be dumped on the open market through exchanges. And so this could affect the price of Bitcoin and crypto overall. Now, here's what I'll say, guys. September was supposed to be a bearish month for crypto. Typically, September is bearish. It's actually still green. Bitcoin is in the green for the month of September, which is very, very surprising. Now, October is typically what we like to call Uptober. It's typically a good month and a typical good time of the year for Bitcoin and crypto to move upward, especially as we're leading into a Bitcoin halving. But I want you guys to be aware that a big dump of $12 million worth of cryptocurrency could move the markets a little bit, but I don't want you to freak out, guys, because at the end of the day, if this market cap is going to be several $1 trillion, and I do believe there's a chance, guys, that the overall market cap of crypto in the next bull cycle could be upwards of $10 to $20 trillion in overall market cap, a couple million ain't really going to mean a lot at the end of the day. So what this message is for you guys today is be aware. The Sam Bankman-Fried trial is coming up. I hope we can watch it on YouTube. live on TV even and see how this guy gets held accountable for the fraud that he has used to deceive his customers for this FTX exchange, but also be aware of the sale of these assets as it might be coming soon. Guys, I'm looking forward to reporting more on this story and on the sentence that Sam Bankman-Fried should get in the upcoming weeks and months ahead as this trial goes into court, and we see a true verdict. Guys, what are your thoughts on the verdict? Should Sam Bankman-Fried go to jail for life? Should he go for a couple of years? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got for you in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here and here. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.